Trial by combat against a sea monster. Oh. Alright. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Xavier. And also welcome to new people. Like I said, I'm Xavier, and today we're going to be watching The Lord of the Rings, The Rings of Power, Season 2, Episode 6. The title of this episode is Where Is He? So last episode was mainly about dwarves. We saw King Durin with his ring and all the effect it had on him. Those 6 rings and growing greed and all of that. And we also saw on Celebrimbor and Anatar, and how Anatar is increasing his presence, his hold on everybody else. That lady Miranda, I don't, whatever her name is, that lady elf. He's working on her. He's calling her beautiful and all. That's reminded to you're in the Galadriel and Celebrimbor, and he's like saying, we need to fix this, and we're gonna get all in on these rings women. And speaking of Galadriel, she was captured in episode 4, and then episode 4, and we saw her in episode 5, and she's with Adar, and he proposed an alliance, which I'm wondering how that's gonna work, considering that the orcs are like right outside Eregion. So yeah, and Elrond met up with Gil-galad, and they talked about needing some kind of alliance. So we will explore more of that. And finally, we got some stuff with the people in Numenor. Farazan is in control now. Elendil got killed by Kemen. Eowyn and Kemen, they did this thing where they disbanded the Sea Guard, and Elendil got captured at the end. Right, but we didn't get any hobbits last episode, and no around there at Isildur. So most likely we'll see them this episode. Right, so it's titled Where Is He? Galadriel considers a proposition. Elendil faces judgment. The stranger finds himself at a crossroads. Sauron's plans bear fruit. Yeah, let's get into it. Who's that? Around there. Cool. Around there, running towards, I guess, Eregion. Whoa. Badass self. Love that. What's that? Oh, these elves are... I think that was the map of the thing or whatever last season.
Pride is woven in your inmost self. That you resist my hand. So chase them down.
We have tried, my lord. All our dispatches go unanswered.
Must I do everything myself?
We are labouring as hard as we can.
Just give me a moment.
Lord Celebrimbor.
Give me a moment, I said!
Oh, my boy's losing it.
Oh, Mirdania. She's called Mirdania.
Oh, thank you for telling us her name.
Earlier, I could have sworn I left my creasing hammer just here. And...
You mean that hammer?
Yes. I am well.
No, you are not. You are not.
I'm just fatigued.
Then I'm afraid you will not like this.
If you're fatigued, then you're not well.
You have responsibilities.
Yes, and my greatest responsibility is to the rings. Until the 9 are complete. Nothing else matters.
Washed up this morning. He appeared to be carrying a message.
What does the message say? I can't read that.
Bury him.
Okay, thanks for the translation.
Pray that he finishes this work before it finishes him.
Is he gonna put the moves on her, this little sweet talk?
Can I trust you to make sure the others respect his wishes as well?
Of course, my lord.
Okay, well,
My lord, the carving on the body.
well, he didn't do that.
What did it
so,
say?
thought he would, but he didn't.
Where is he?
Oh, that's what it actually said. As in, where is Sauron? Ah.
Not just who you are, but who you wish to be. His eye bores a hole, and the rest of him slithers in.
Yeah, that's how it gets you.
Well, he even makes you believe that his power has become yours.
Then it would seem he gave us both what we desired.
You see,
Yeah.
it is not his lies which must be extinguished.
What then?
It is him.
Alright, yeah. Oh, we kept it all these years.
I was told.
There are many stories of what happened after the Silmarils were pried from its sittings. The fate of that city now rests on your ability to put aside your pride.
At least Adar finally figured it out. He's not dumb. He put two and together, but too late for him. He could have killed Sauron earlier, easier.
It is the judgment of this court that the accused be set free.
You can't give all of that and then set him free. He's playing the crowd. He's playing the crowd.
Elendil, son of Amandil, do you renounce your crimes?
He's gonna say he committed no crimes.
I do.
Okay.
Accept our Pharazôn as Númenor's true king.
What are you gonna do?
I do not. I do not. For Númenor's true ruler is now and to the end of her days Miriel, daughter of Tar Palantir.
Trial by combat against the sea monster? Oh.
Snoring? Who's snoring?
Nori, bro. Nori.
What does a secret fire need with you as a master?
But if I cannot master it, how am I to use it?
Wasn't the Dark Wizard coming towards them last time?
It's our home. It's me.
Us, you.
No, I got you into this rut. Maybe it's up to me to get you out.
How are we gonna do
Put
that?
myself in now. There's a chance I can get Poppy out too.
Well, how long?
1 or 2 years?
Oh, that's not so long.
Oh, 1 or 2 years ago.
Oh.
By that point, nobody'd stuck.
What?
I was thinking of asking what with all of us maybe about be murdered and all, if you want to have a...
Talking.
Are they gonna kiss?
Turn yourself in, you might well be putting the whole world at risk.
I wish that relationship had been developed a little bit more. I don't know. I get the chemistry between them, but it's not really hitting as it should, you know?
You'll find your true staff only when the vision of your heart is single to the service of the secret fire.
Many that die deserve life. Some that live deserve death. Who are you to give it to them?
Many that live deserve death, and some that die deserve life. Can you give it to them, Frodo?
Turn away now, and you can never return to this path.
Is there no other way?
No, obviously. Wait, Tom. Oh, well, okay. Now I see why he has to choose now. Because Tom is gone. He's like, hey, I'm not leading you back here. You're on your own.
He summoned me, father.
No, he did.
Anatar?
I see the Seven are serving you well.
Prince Durin.
Perhaps we'd be wise to discuss this first in private.
There's nothing to discuss.
He's gonna accept the offer.
I've already decided.
Answer is yes.
The answer is no.
Oh.
Bears the weapons and armor of Mithril is all but invincible. We can name our price.
Ah.
Gone mad.
Now I get.
Belongs to me.
No.
Yes, it does.
You belong to it.
Oh. Okay. Alright.
Please. Prove it.
He doesn't have to prove it. That's what he's gonna be thinking.
Take it off.
I have nothing to prove to you, boy.
Yeah. Like I thought. Yeah. But also, I see his play. He's gonna grip them, name his price. I get it. Smart play by Durin.
Talking about humiliating him. About destroying him.
He's his father.
As much as you do.
No, you don't.
Durin!
It's kind of hard to get him to turn against his father like that, you know. Very, very difficult.
I can't do it.
Yeah. Like, come on, it's his father.
He'll destroy himself and take this kingdom with him.
She's right, but I doubt it'll still work. Maybe.
If after all this, all you see is pride, then there are no words left for us to speak.
Damn, he's riding hard. Ooh, the conviction.
Were I to do so, I would cease to be the man you wish to save.
What if you're wrong?
Then he's
I
gonna...
would rather die with a heart that is whole than live
Yep.
with one broken by cowardice.
He's gonna ride out, live.
What of my heart?
What's it called? Ride or die. Yeah, he's a ride or die. That's what I was trying to remember.
It's the will of the Valar that my life be spared.
Then you'll be spared.
Then it will be.
Exactly.
What if it isn't?
It will be. He survives. We know he survives.
The sea is always right.
They said that in the first season. I remember that. The sea is always right.
Is that meant to frighten us off?
No. They are.
What are they? Oh. That makes sense. Bats are there. Bats make sense.
And there'll be more of them.
Then we'll be ready.
2 against hundreds. Not good odds, prob. Not good odds. But they'll be triumphant in some way. Probably.
Given that his crime was committed in my name, I have the right to face the Valar's judgment in his place.
We'll play Cotton. Let's see how it turns out. Something like that. I don't remember.
It's a bold strategy, Cotton. Let's see if it pays off for him.
Allah have deemed her.
she came back up.
Hail! Tauriel! Queen of the Sea!
Alright, what a play. It worked out. Just like in dodgeball.
Unlock me.
What play is she making here? That'll be interesting to see.
Uruk. You and I will eradicate all trace of Sauron from this world.
We call them Uruk to get them on our side. Smart, smart.
Now that you have confirmed beyond any doubt who he is, and told me who carries your ring, the Region will fall, and Sauron with it.
This must be what he wants. Sauron has no army of his own.
Yeah, he doesn't.
He wants you to attack a Region.
Bind her. She will be useful later.
No. I beg you. Do not be fooled. This is what Sauron wants! This is what he wants!
Yeah, it is what he wants. And Adar's gonna fall into the trap.
Sound the bells! We're under attack!
Is he gonna do blood magic?
You belong in here, my friend.
I've had quite enough of you telling me where I belong!
Did he cast a vision on him? Wow. Okay.
Mithril ore. Refined to a powder by Narvi himself.
I'm extremely confused. You're confused? I'm fucking confused, bro.
We are close now, Celebrimbor.
Oh, Sauron is so good. He is so good.
They will be deemed the most precious creations in all Middle-earth.
They are precious. Ah, too good. Too good. I love that. I love that.
That was too good.
And now we switch to actuality. Slow motion. Good thing, good way to end that episode. So that was episode 6 of Rings of Power. And this was basically a setup to the orcs and the Adar attacking Eregion. And I was right to not trust that alliance awful cause as he really just wanted confirmation that Halbrand is Sauron and that Sauron is in fact in Eregion before he did the attack. He didn't want to waste his resources. Of course, attacking Eregion is good if it wins, but he wants to have a purpose to the attack, Just want to attack just so. Is to get Sauron. I'm sure Sauron has contingencies and stuff because Adar sent him to Eregion. So I'm sure Sauron and in the back of his mind is alright, I have to have something contingency just in case things go sour and he do a little thing. So this planet he's already got it. He's like, alright, cool. This is what you're doing? Bet. I got my plan B, plan C. I'm gonna whiz my way. I know what I'm doing. You know, that's basically Sauron right now. Yeah. So basically, let me start in Rune. So we left Gandalf. He was with Tom, and something wrong there. So because some kind of continuity error, or maybe I don't know, because I'm sure the Dark Wizard was coming towards them last time, or is it that the Dark Wizard was just in nearby, and the Dark Wizard couldn't find them? Is that how they're gonna excuse that? Because that don't match up to me. Yeah. So Tom left him, the stranger, to search for his staff. It's his real test. It's big test, and if he fails it, then there's no luck for him. He's either gonna find the staff or he's gonna go searching for Nori, because he had the visions of like Nori in trouble, and she is in trouble because I'm sure the J.R.R or whatever his name is, men, they're gonna come back to the stores and looking for Nori and Poppy, because they're figure that's their best way to get the stranger, because they're gonna capture them and eventually find the stranger and get him to turn himself over or something like that, probably. But yeah, the thing with the Dark Wizard, that never too much with how we ended that last time with the stranger and Tom. So I don't know. We didn't get anything with Gil-galad, and then at the end, we did catch up a little bit with Aaron there. I might have to look back in the thing, but he was attacked by orcs, and he is near Eregion. So what part he's gonna play in that we don't know yet. Probably he's gonna free Galadriel. Yeah, I'm calling it now. Arandir's gonna free Galadriel. He's gonna get in there and he's gonna free Galadriel, and together they're gonna do something. Yeah, I figure that's how they're gonna use him. No Isildur, but in Numenor, so Elendil got sentenced to death, but Farazan's like, you know, I'm gonna free him if you renounce and you swear fealty to me. And then he renounces, but he swears fealty to Miriel still. And then they suggest a trial by Abyss, which is this sweet creature and everything. Aaron tries to talk him out of it, and then eventually Miriel tries to, but the novel, Elena's like, I'm man of faith, I'm gonna do this, yo. Just keep easy there, me have this. And Miriel takes his place. She gets judged and she passes and she's innocent. So her and Elendil get to go free, and the people love her again now because she withstood the test of faith. And so we see how that plays out, and I don't know how that's gonna work out. Is she gonna take back the throne? Is there gonna be like a civil war now? What is the Sailor not gonna be back in there this season? Is gonna are they gonna go back to Numenor and then they're gonna catch up with the Sailor? I don't know. Yeah. So now elves, the dwarves, Disa and Prince Durin, they're doing something to ward off more mining. I don't know what they're gonna do. I can see what Disa use the bats and everything, but I'm not sure how just her, Disa and Prince Durin are gonna stand like a whole bunch of dwarves. I don't see it. I'm gonna see. I don't know how. I'm at a head loss. I don't know. Especially with Durin, he had the ring and he just like bop Prince Durin and he would fly off. So I'm gonna know. Yeah, so things are up in the air a little bit at the end of that. So this and Prince Durin against King Durin and everybody else. Sauron. Oh, let me get back to that. Let me do that last. So Galadriel and Adar, they did the thing, they did the conversations. Adar got what he wanted, and he's attacking. Nori, wanna know? She, Poppy, and Merrimack. I wish they had a little bit more to that. You know, I see the chemistry between the two actors. Like I can see what they were trying to build, but I'm sure more was filmed there, more side eyes and whatever. But that got cut out because they're doing so many stories and stuff. So I'm sure there's more to that, but they cut it off for time, which is yeah. So and because they're juggling so much, so that so like the Hobbit story and the Stranger story, they're just leveled off a bit. Tom brighten it up a little bit, but it's still not them. That part is not too work for me. And so Numenor, it pick up a little this episode, but not that much, you know. So there's still more there to come. More they have to do there. They have 2 episodes left, so we'll see how they do to fix up those 2 storylines. Right, so around there Galadriel, that we don't say any of the other elves this episode from Lindon with Elrond and Gil-galad and stuff. So and then so Sauron, I like that little trick he did. I thought before I go to that, I thought he would do more with Mira Minadria or whatever. I don't know. I can't, Midaria, yes. I thought he'd do more, a little further more with that, but I guess he didn't. So, but he's not running Eragon. He did this little Jedi mind trick thing on Celebrimbor to get him to focus back on the rings, and you know to forget what he's seen, but he's not actually seeing what he's seen, and to just get back in and work on the finish on the rings. And so yeah, that's good for him, Sauron. And I guess he's just gonna try to do what he can to just let Eragon last until Celebrimbor can finish the rings. And so he's gonna probably escape. He's gonna escape and make his way to Mordor and do for the One Ring, but he's gonna do that next season. The One Ring is gonna be forged next season, season 3. That I'm thinking he's gonna escape by the end of this season, and then we're gonna see like some shot of him going back to Mordor or something like that. I don't know. Yeah. So yeah, set up for an interesting last 2 episodes. Things are in play. Not sure how they're gonna play out, but we saw there's gonna be a battle scene. I saw some promo during I was watching the Thursday Night Football, and I saw some promo with like some big battle between, and then I don't know, everyone was in there, the battle and everything. I don't know, so I'm assuming that's gonna be outside the region. Yeah, we'll see. Yep, those are my thoughts for now. Goodbye.